What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to review a trade I took today on NVDA to the upside. It's December 13th, Wednesday. Um, so I took this trade pretty light because it wasn't something I had planned pre market. It's something I found during the day, and usually those trades, if it's not part of my pre market plan, I'll go in later. I've just found that to work better for me. But regardless, the reason I like this trade, so Nvidia you can see is pretty strong on the day, and it was much stronger than futures. ES, you'll be able to see during the trade, but ES was basically at lows all day, hovering around those lows, while Nvidia was pushing through highs, making new highs. So what I saw here is multiple things actually. So first, we rejected right off of a key level I had charted, and then another thing which isn't really too clean in a way. It does respect, but I saw this 1 minute trend. So you can see we bounce off of it multiple times. So one there, and then here again since we had a big red candle. So what I wanted to see to play this high is I want to see volume pick up when this trend breaks into those highs. So basically, that would identify that momentum is picking up past a downtrend. And then my target on this trade, I had right above 45. So I'll show you where I got these levels from. I cleaned up my chart for you guys just so you can see. But when you come to a bigger time frame, this is where I get most of my key levels from, is from bigger time frames. You can see previous price action shows you where a lot of breakout levels would be. So the area we bounced off of before on the 1 minute that I showed you, like before my entry, we had a lot of candles respecting that. We only had wicks above. So you can think, wouldn't that be a good place to play a rejection? For me, the way I'm playing it, I want to see momentum picking up through that level. And then I would target my next key level, which would be this area where we have multiple wicks rejecting, which is right above 45. The actual level I had was 45.30, but for me, 45 and like 15 20 cents, that's good enough for me in case if there's resistance at like 25 cents or something like that. I'm not gonna go red on a trade because of 10 cents. So that's what I was looking at. You can see how both of these levels are respected. You have multiple candles respecting there, and then all these candles are closing below this other line. So that's the reason I had those, and I'm gonna go into the trade now so you can see how I executed. Like I said, I took it pretty light, but with that, I still made a decent profit percentage. This just so you guys can see how it played out. It kind of hit my next, my take profit level, and that's where the momentum started dying out. So that's why it's important for you guys to make sure you're charting key levels and looking for profit targets before you get into a trade. But now let's just hop into the trade. Peace.
40. I definitely don't want to see no hesitation at 80 cents if we do take that high.
Yeah,
After that, yeah, I'm with you.
47 maybe, but that 484 level really matches up with another level from pre-market about a week ago. It was consolidating there. I would be careful with Tesla, even though this is weaker than the market. There is that trend there.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some water. Let me know. I got my headphones on. Let me know if it gets close.
All right, George, run back, please.
Yeah, I didn't even. As soon as I said that, I looked at the candle, I started laughing. I was like, as soon as I say it, let me sit back down.
Yeah, I have the 490s ready. I'm looking to kind of take this at 483.
Order filled.
Where are you looking to take this?
Yeah, if the momentum's there, yeah, I'll take it with you there. I'm half size from what I took earlier on NVDA, so it's good for my risk reward.
There it goes, pushing. I'm waiting a second here. Probably going to get in around 483.20. Yeah, I'm in these 490 calls for NVIDIA.
What's your target on this?
It's going to be a 485 target for risk versus reward here.
Okay.
I need 484 to get taken out quickly because it's an actual, it's not, I wouldn't say a main level, but definitely something to worry about.
Yeah, remember that's the 80 cent area that I was talking about there.
Yeah,
Just rejected.
483.80 just
Yeah.
rejected. So what I'm gonna do, since I am half sized right now, I think I'm gonna set a 10% stop on this. Which would be technically 5% of my position earlier. I will add if we come back at 484 though. I'll feel more comfortable at that level. Market just had some big red candles there. Well, SPY did at least. Yeah, so 10% stop with my half position, but I'm looking to add another half here at that 483.80 if we come back up. Looks good for now. Bro, if market pushes anyway here, it's over. So I'm getting ready to add. I'm adding. Same stop loss, 10%.
Right at that 80 cent again.
Yeah, you don't have to add. Keep that half position, but I added. I just set a hard stop at 10%. So that's where I'm looking to get out. This comes back down. FOMC is in a little bit too. So this is my last trade before FOMC.
This candle needs to come right through 80 cents here.
Yeah. We're struggling a bit.
This was weak.
Yeah, I'm waiting for 231 on Tesla. That might be the only trade I take before FOMC. Frankie, how much were you up? I didn't get to see the percentage that I was up.
I think I was up maybe because I got in at 483. I think I was up 15% on that.
I was probably up like 10.
Yeah, it was about 12 for me there.
That second rejection is what made me sell. I sold when it hit like 483.20, I think.
I'm only down 1% here.
Yeah, right here, I'm still green on my position. My original fill was 285. I guess I
Yeah,
played the.
how contracts are holding up.
I like where it's bouncing off of here. We just need some more volume to kick in. It looks like it's trying to.
Yeah, I'm giving this one last try here, but I do have my hard stop in place right now. We have the 30% from earlier as cushion. Dude, I might add more. Market's not even pushing.
I
What do you
know. Nah, the ad looks good though. I'm with you.
I'm gonna add probably again, but I'm gonna use 483 as my stop loss instead of waiting for that 10%. Yeah, I'm adding. Last time letting this like last try I'm letting this go. New stop is 483 for me. If you didn't add, then 10% is still valid. Wow, that's nice. Look at the contracts. Sheesh.
I just scaled out there. That's 17%.
Yeah, that was amazing. I'm gonna sell half in a second here. I'm looking for this next new high. I like the divergence still. Market hasn't even pushed yet. There we go. Here we go. 40. Once I see 50, I'm gonna sell half. 50. Oh my god, 70. Sold half here. Looking to sell the rest on the exact target that I have, 485. It does have a lot more room than 485 though. I'm not taking the chance. This is another big play on NVDA this morning. You selling the rest on 45 or are you gonna hold a little bit?
I'm gonna sell. So I already sold half. I'm gonna sell another half at 485 and let half
Oh,
run.
there it goes.
Order
485 guys. Still in. You know what? I'm gonna sell a quarter.
Exactly what I just did, brother. Exactly what I just did.
Sold a quarter, so I have a quarter left, guys. Just so I can see if I can squeeze a little bit out of this.